Hey, Joey, why don't you smash it?
Smash what? Not Jessie's antique clock.
Antique, my foot! Enough is enough! This sound is really getting on my nerves!
Okay, but don't smash it. Jessie will be really upset.
Who cares? She'll get over it. Just smash it.
No, she won't. She'll
Blah,
never
blah,
forgive you,
blah.
Joey.
But it's irritating, Joey. Very irritating.
It's not worth it.
Come on, Joey. Let's smash it and take a good nap.
No, Joey, don't.
Come on, Joey. You need some sleep. See, Joey?
Let's do it!